Hello, grade 8 students. Welcome to Mathematics Quarter 1 Module 6, which is about illustrating a rectangular coordinate system. Since we were not able to have our online class for Quarter 1, Week 7 and Week 8, this instructional video about Module 6 will help you to better understand the lesson. After going through this module, you would be able to know about the rectangular coordinate system and other related terms, plot the point on a coordinate plane, give the coordinates of a given point on a coordinate plane, and use the concepts of a coordinate plane in solving real-life problems. So let us now start. We will discuss some of the important points on this module. Lesson 1, the rectangular coordinate system. The rectangular coordinate system is also known class as the Cartesian plane. So others would refer to the rectangular coordinate system as a Cartesian plane, and it is named after the mathematician René Descartes. René Descartes is also known to be the father of modern mathematics. So the coordinate system or the rectangular coordinate system or the Cartesian plane is composed of two perpendicular number lines. And these number lines are called the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. They meet at a certain point, which is the 0, 0, which is called the origin, and divide the plane into four regions called quadrants, which are numbered as quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4, moving in counterclockwise direction starting from the upper right. So let us familiarize how does it look like. Okay, so this one is our Cartesian plane. This is the y-axis, the vertical line, while this one, the horizontal line, is our x-axis. So, kung side din ang graphing paper, usually nagagamit kita it graphing paper para hudto mag-plot it points ag mag-ubra it Cartesian plane. Ang daywa nga dyan nga linya, the x-axis ag ang y-axis ay nagamit at this point 0, 0 na ginatawag naton sanda nga point of origin. This one. So, dyan sanda nagatabo. Ang coordinate na nadya is 0, 0, which is the point of origin, where the two lines, x and the y axis, met. And then, in-divide na ang aton nga plane into four quadrants. This is the quadrant 1. This is the quadrant 2. This one is the quadrant 3. And this is the quadrant 4. Okay. Ang aton nga coordinate xy, halimbawa sa hadi nga point A is 3, 3. Meaning to say, 3 for the value of x and also 3 for the value of y. So, sa hading illustration, medyo nagsubra lang imaw sa 3.25 huta. So, dapat hadiaran 3 for the x and 3 for the y coordinate. Okay, so ang aton nga point is named as point A. Okay, halimbawa, may another point kita. Say this one. Ang hadi nga point. So, ang hadi nga point, mapangagana naton as negative 3 ag positive 1. So we could name it as halimbawa hay point P. Ang ana nga coordinate or nagatungtong ang hadi nga point sakay negative 3, positive 1 ang ana nga coordinate. Hadi ang value ni x negative 3, ag ang value ni y is positive 1, hadi imaw makita sa quadrant 2. Okay? Hindi pwede nga hambangon naton nga 1 ag negative 3, kundi sa pag-plot it points, hay unahon naton itan-aw ang value na nasa x-axis kung diin imaw gatungod bago sa y. So hindi pwede nga mag-pilo kita dahil if it will be 1 sa y ag negative 3, if it will be 1 sa x ag negative 3 sa y, so meaning hadi na imaw 1 sa x ag negative 3 sa y, adi anay mo matugpa. So the coordinate of this point is 1, negative 3, which can be found in quadrant 4. If we will have, say for example, negative 4, negative 1, so negative 4, negative 1, so diin naton imo dya i-plot. Adi imaw makita sa quadrant 3 dahil ang ana nga signs are all negative. So unahon na to tan-aw sa x-axis sa kay negative 4, this one. Ag mapanaog kita sa y-axis by 1 unit, so hadi imaw negative 1. So this one now is negative 4, negative 1. So we can name this point as point C, while this one can be named as point D. Okay? So, kabay pa, medyo makabuo it idea kung paano ang pag-plot it points at pangpangalan it points sa Cartesian plane. Okay, remember, the horizontal number line is called the x-axis while the vertical number line is called the y-axis. So, hadi kaina ang aton nga gin-discuss. Each point in the plane can be located using an ordered pair of numbers, that is xy, where x is the horizontal distance and y is the vertical distance of the point from the origin. The numbers in the ordered pair are called coordinates. The x value of the coordinates xy of a point is known as the abscissa, while the y value is known as the ordinate. So the signs of the first and second coordinates of a point vary in the 4 quadrants as indicated below. So halimbawa nga ni, hadi ang aton nga point. So the point is 3, 1. So the abscissa here or the x value is 3 because it is 3 units from 0, while our y value or the our x value or the abscissa is 3, while our y value or the ordinate is 1 because it is 1 unit from 0 for the vertical distance, while it is 3 units from 0 for the horizontal distance. And if you would notice, the signs here of our coordinates are all positive. While for this one, halimbawa negative 4, positive 2, negative 4, positive 2. So our abscissa is negative 4 while our ordinate is 2. And then the signs for the x-coordinate is negative while for the y-coordinate is positive. In quadrant 3, the signs are all negative. So if this is our point, that is negative 2, negative 1, both are negatives. While this one, positive 2 and negative 2, the signs of our coordinates are positive and negative. As practice exercises for this module, you can have the exercises or the activity number 3, plot the points on page 11 to 12 of your modules. So let us have more examples in plotting the points and in naming the points through this activity number 3. So for number 1, the coordinates is negative 8 and 4. That is point A. So first, tanawon anay ang x-axis value na sa x is negative 8. So hadi mo ma-fall. Tapos sa y, high 4. So masaka kita 4 units going up because it is positive. So this one now would be the location of our point A. So this is negative 8, positive 4. So this is point A. Number 2 on the exercises, the coordinates is negative 2, negative 6. So pareho sanda nga negative, makita imaw sa quadrant 3. So negative 2 sa x, hadi. Negative 6 sa y, paubos. So 6 units, negative 2, negative 6. So this one. So this is now our point B. Number 3, 5, 5. That is point C. So 5 sa x, 5 man sa y. So hadi. 5, 5. That is point C. Number 4 is 0, negative 8. Point D. So 0 imo sa x, hadi. Negative 8 sa y. So hadi imo sa ubos. This one. Kudi mismo ang point nagatungtong sa kay y-axis. Point D. Number 5 is point E, 10, negative 3. So 10, unahon always ha, tanaw sa kay x-axis, 10, negative 3. So makita sa quadrant 4. This one, 10, negative 3. This is point E. Another 6, 0. Point F, 6, 0. Number 6 sa exercise or activity number 3. 6 sa kay x. This one. 0 sa kay y. So, wakit at movement dahil hindi kita pwede magpasaka 1 unit up or 1 unit down kasi 0 sa kay y. So, this is point F. Another, number 7, point G, negative 4, negative 4. So, negative 4 sa x, negative 4 man sa y. So, this is point G. Then, number 8, 0, 0. So, this one would be the point of origin. Pangagana natin it point H. Number 9, 5, 1. 5 in the x, 1 in the y. So, the x-coordinate or the abscissa is 5, while the y-coordinate or the ordinate is 1. So, this is 5, 1. Pangagan sa ana is point I. And number 10, 9, negative 7. So, 9 in 9 as the abscissa or the x-coordinate, while the y-coordinate is negative 7. So, this one. This is point J. So, kung inyong manotice or pangutanon ka mo, ano-ano ang mga points located sa quadrant 1. So, that is, or they are the point C and the point I. Ang points nga located kay quadrant 2 is point A, or the only point that can be found here at this moment in quadrant 2 is point A, while for quadrant 3, point G, point B. For quadrant 4, point J, and point E. While on the x-axis itself, point F, kung di natin mo makita, or nagatungtong mismo sa x-axis, while the point that lie on the y-axis is point D. Ang point H is located in the point of origin. So, this is how you are going to plot points on the Cartesian plane. I hope this video would help you better understand the lesson in Module 6 and you can answer the assessment given to you and submit it on our next submission schedule. Thank you so much, everyone.